So you join us down at Loggies Lake, which is one of the block bookings we took this year for one of our socials. It's winter, it is cold, but we go to places where we think you can nick a bite, and Loggies is one of those places. We've had the good fortune of having Dan Hawkes come down today, give us a little bit of instruction and put us on some very good spots. It's one of the benefits we have each time we go book a lake. We get a consultant that will help you put fish on the bank. We also give you a goodie bag along with boilies, everything you need to sneak a little fish out in these depths of winter. Hopefully you'll come and join us at one of our socials and you'll see what it's all about.